All right, welcome to Live at the Gym. We're excited to have you at the Communication Gym today. Spoiler alert, we're giving away the secrets of powerful communication, and we're going to show you how you can use those tools and implement them in your personal and professional life. So stay tuned. Hit it. All right. Well, let's go forward then. So what we're going to do each week, starting on August 19th at 11:30, is we're going to run communication training programs. We are going to talk to you and give you lessons and tools about skills that you can learn and implement in your life relative to communication. Sometimes we'll have guests and members here to practice, and sometimes we won't. But in either case, we're going to share nuggets of communication, tools and tactics that you can use and implement in your life right away, things that you can immediately put to use. And if you register online, we will share the page from the playbook with you so that you can actually take those skills, practice them at home, and actually get the benefit from using them. One of the things that we hope to do is to inspire you to practice your communication skills. Our mission is to help improve the quality of life by improving the quality of communication, of your communication with the people that you care about most. And our goal here with our Live at the Gym sessions is to inspire you to do the practice. So starting next week on August 19th, we will be running our first live session where we'll be actually running practice, and you'll be able to see it. We'll have members. I think we have members scheduled for next week, but if we don't, it's okay. We have awesome programs and content, and you can still register to get the playbook from the TCG playbook. We'll give you a page from our playbook so you can learn the skill and take the exercises along home with you to practice and develop them. So what we want to do today is give you a little bit of foreshadowing. We're going to talk to you about the sessions that we'll be doing going forward, and we want to give you an opportunity to participate, not just to watch, but also be a part of it. If you'd like to do that, please register for the event and send us a quick message so that you can volunteer as well. So next week, we're going to start with powerful questions. We're going to start with how you ask good questions and the understanding that the deeper the questions get, the more you uncover, like peeling the layers of an onion, the more powerfully you can get to what's actually true, what's fundamentally true, what's objectively true, so that you can become a better problem solver, you can become a better manager, a better partner. Asking powerful questions helps you get down to the reality of the situation and uncover things in a way that most people don't get to. And we have the tendency to want to push out and solve problems, but what we want to be able to do is ask great questions, and the questions go, our conversations go where our questions lead. So the person asking the questions is often the leader of the conversation. And if you are equipped to ask powerful questions, to pay attention to the clues, both verbal and nonverbal clues that you get by asking those questions, you can steer conversations in focused directions that bring the highest value to both you and your clients and your friends and your family. So powerful questions is what we'll start on next week. We'll share some examples of powerful questions, and we'll also do some exercises that you can do at home to give you the opportunity to implement those skills. Next week after that, we'll go into active listening, and we'll talk about the difference between 5 levels of listening. We'll talk about what it means to prepare yourself to be a good listener in today's day and age. The world is a tricky place, and we get a lot of distractions coming our way. So we want you to have the skills and the capacity to be a great listener and to be able to reflect back. The ultimate goal of listening is that we gain a better understanding of what's going on, but also that the other person knows that they were listened to. The ability to listen well is one thing. The ability to reflect back what you've heard in such a way that people actually feel heard and understood. It's something that's missing in today's society, and something that we can all do better at. And the power it brings to your business is that as a good listener, you spend less time solving problems that aren't real. You spend more time engaged in what's actually happening, and you build better relationships. So we'll give you some tools in the active listening session on how to do that. And more importantly, we're going to give you exercises that you can do at home, at work, to develop that skill. And active listening, just like all of our communication tools, is a skill that you can develop no matter where you're at in your career, no matter where you're at in your personal or professional development. You can become a better listener and it has huge impacts on your business and on your communication outcomes. After that, we're going to move on to two of my favorite tools in our communication toolbox. The beginning and the end of each conversation, we start with the level playing field. We want to teach you how to make sure that each conversation is focused, each conversation you have drives in a specific direction, and that you get the outcomes that you're looking for, and that the parties involved are engaged, are focused on what the outcomes are. So we give you a powerful tool called Level the Playing Field. We ensure that everybody is there and present, and you get the most done in the least amount of time that you can. That's the level playing field, how you start a conversation. The end of the conversation is equally important. I've been an executive coach for 20 plus years, and I can't tell you how many people have said they want an accountability culture. They want accountability. Well, accountability starts at the beginning. We have to define what we're going to be counting. And we use a tool called the 3 W's. Who is doing what by when? It is that simple, but we want to give you some exercises and tools on how you can use those 3 simple W's to make sure that you get the best results within your personal and professional conversations. So this is just a taste of what we've got coming at the Communication Gym here live at the gym on LinkedIn. We would love to have you participate either as an audience member where you're watching or as a gym member where you're participating. Gym members get a lot of extra benefits. And it also takes a little bit of courage to do that, to be willing to practice in front of other folks. But you get a huge benefit from it. So we've got some volunteers lined up in the future sessions, and we're looking for more. So if you'd like to do that, please don't hesitate to shoot us a quick message. Make sure that you register for the August 19th session and then weeks going forward beyond that so that you can practice and participate. And again, our mission here is to help you to improve the quality of your life by improving the quality of your communication. And we do that by hopefully inspiring you to practice. No matter where you're at in your communication journey, your professional journey, you can get better, you can improve. And we improve our quality of life by improving the quality of our relationships. And we improve the quality of our relationships by improving the quality of our communication. And that is something that you have 100% control over. It is something that you can do on your own. It is something that you can do at home. It is something that you can take ownership of. And the benefits of it, I will tell you, are phenomenal. So we hope to see you at our next week's session, August 19th at 11:30 Eastern Time for Live at the Gym, where we'll be talking about powerful questions and giving you tools that you need to improve the quality of your life. So we look forward to seeing you at the gym. Hit it.